We spend most of the day today evaluation patients so that we can pick out the ones who have proper indications to perform the surgeries over the next few days. And then late this afternoon, we, as a team, operated on 3 patients as kind of a pilot day so that we can have everything in order so that the next few days will go smoother.
Here, not only are the arthritic conditions more severe and require more extensive surgery, but we know less about their medical health in general.
Some of them have been bedridden for months and years, and they'll be able to walk again and carry on a productive life, working, etc. And I think they'll benefit a great deal.
7.5 times 2?
7 and 7.5.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you?
7.
We're very excited to be here. The Vietnamese are very supportive of this undertaking. They themselves are very interested at all levels, physician level, the nursing level, the recovery room staff level, to learn these techniques and be able to do them themselves. That energizes us to really want to get in and teach them as well as help these patients get back on their feet.